You guys, check out what I got in the mail today. Oh, I'm so excited. It's the time of the month where I'm getting my Knitcrate box. Are you getting your Knitcrate box? By the way, I have a link in the description below, and if you use the Nikki20, you get 20% off your first month. It is worth it, I'll tell you. Don't understand why? Check it out right now. So let's see which color I got. If you're a Knitcrate member, you can pick your own colors, but me, I get a surprise each time. You can let it surprise you too. So beautiful. Look at these colors. Wow. Little fuzz here, but that's fine. Look at this purple and the blue and this orange copper type of color. Oh, I love it. And then this little bit of a darker blue. It's gorgeous, and it's nice and squishy. Let's see what's in here. It is exactly 100% superwash merino wool, and it's worsted weighted yarn. Oh, I love it. And yes, I'm still outside, and you can hear the birds because I was too excited, and I had to show you right away. So let me show you the other one. Very similar, as you can see. Let me turn it this way. Ooh, I love the peak of the copper color in here. I need to open this later. Wow, so beautiful, gorgeous. Let me show you what else I got. I also got this cute little sticker, which I know where I'm going to put. It's going to be on my laptop so I can see it every day. Love it. And then also got the Knitcrate Inspirations book, and as you can see, that's the color I got. This is for August 2019. So let me show you. So here are the different colors depending on which membership you have. This is the membership I have. This is the normal one. And then here is the sock one. Look at these different colors. Oh my God, it is gorgeous. Seriously gorgeous. Here you have the colors a little bit more closer. Oh, how funny. I just said we have birds outside, so I guess the yarn is inspired by birds this time. That is perfect. Well, I'm glad I'm outside then and checking it out outside with you. So let's see. And this is the sock yarn. Love that. So beautiful. Then we have here the different patterns that are shown off. This is one of my good friends, Ashley from Heart Hook Home. That is so awesome. And we have here another sock. So this is sock, here's sock. Here's a beautiful shawl. Wow. And then these awesome leg warmers. All these patterns are in here in this nice booklet, which by the way has a really nice quality, and I would keep them all, and I have them all in a nice beautiful stash. It's gorgeous. So are you liking this box? If you are, you should get your own, because this yarn is premium yarn and you can't get it anywhere else. It is literally made for Knitcrate, for you guys, whoever buys them. It's really awesome. Every month is a different color theme. I just love this one. Gorgeous. We'll see what I'm going to make with this one. So if you want to get your own box, get your own. Use my code Nikki20 for 20% off. The link is in the description below. And make sure to leave a comment and let me know which color is your favorite. I would love to know. And then until next time, be sure to subscribe so you get a notification the next time I have a video available or go live. And also like, comment, and share this video. I appreciate it very much. Until then.